Good day everyone, I'm Alvin Nakera Amiles from second year BS Electrical Engineering. Now, I will discuss my speech entitled, which is better for our sustainable future, renewable or non-renewable energy. Today, we stand at a critical juncture in human history, faced with the profound challenge of addressing our energy needs, which is very important to resolve. Just because energy is the lifeblood of our modern society. It's power our houses, businesses, transportation, and industries. However, the energy sources we rely on can be divided into two main categories, the renewable and non-renewable energy. Understanding the differences between these energy sources is crucial as we strive to create a more sustainable energy in the future. First, what are renewable and non-renewable energy? Renewable energy are those that are replenished naturally and sustainably. This includes solar, geothermal, biomass, and wind energy that offer us a pathway to a clean and abundant energy. In contrast, non-renewable energy are those that are finite and will eventually be depleted. This includes fossil fuel such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Also, they provide us an abundant and inexpensive energy. However, the burning of fossil fuel can lead also a significant into environmental problems such as climate change, greenhouse gas emission, and air pollution. As stewards in this planet, it is our responsibility to transition towards and more sustainable energy in the future. By embracing renewable energy, we do not only lessen the impact of climate change but also support the economic growth and promote social equity. In conclusion, let's seize the moment to choose the path of renewable energy to harness the power of nature in service for the better world. Together, we can create a future wherein clean air fills our lungs, abundant energy fuels our progress, and bounty and beauty of this planet will preserve to generations to come. Thank you.